Alright guys, so welcome back to yet another video. And today guys, is the day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. If you want to know what it's like to own one of these guys, stick around. Woo! Right folks, so here we have a cold start. 5, 4, 2, 1. Those AliExpress mods still hanging in strong. I did take off the spoiler guys, I just wasn't liking it. And you can see here guys the inserts for the lights, they still look pretty damn good. Just changes the whole appearance of the back. Yes please. Yes guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit a like and subscribe, show your boy some love. Let's go! Look at this cockpit of the beast. Hey, ignore the Christmas tree going on there guys. Nothing to be concerned about whatsoever. Interior lighting, yes, I did install that myself very easily, and there's no cables, just ignore all of that. That's my loose cash for the car washes. But yes, time to go. Alrighty guys, we are underway. So to get out of where I leave it out of sport mode because of the harsh speed bumps. I don't like to smash up my suspension unless I really need to. As you can see, some pretty nasty things. But yes guys, I do apologize for the slower video times and you know, turnaround time of actually creating content. It's just been really difficult. I've started a new job, as you know, and it's just a matter of trying to find schedule and routine around that new job and looking for the opportunities as to where I can create content and where I can make content. So yeah, it's a bit of a tricky one because it's literally filling all the gaps of free time essentially. So we've got to make it work. We've got to make it work. Sport mode is on. It's still a little bit cold, so I'm not going to absolutely hammer it, but also, sorry, you can't really see much. The weather is so bad. It's just foggy anyway, it's just foggy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah bro, yeah. We'll get what we can. I'm on my way to the gym. Turbo on this thing, god damn! In this weather, shall we say. And look at this guy just crawling all over the roundabout. Chee! 3, 4, and I'm going to tap off there, guys. Again, my depth judgment is not the best right now, otherwise it would be a very different story. 4, 3, nice little S-bend going on here. I always kind of treat it like a little bit of a out the corner. It's like, bro, this is just a normal civilian road. It's not a race course. I know some of you can relate. There's probably like certain roads and areas by you where you're like hitting it up, tearing some rubber. Come on then, come on princess. Nice little bit of handling going on here. They are very stern around the corners, and she's out. Hey, hey. Woo! I know no one's going to come that way because no one ever does. There's nothing there. Nice tight roundabout again. In and out. 4. The turbo gods are with us today. Yes, sir. Go, you want to see another? Oh, he's going left. Oh, it's a bummer. These cars feel so confident around corners. It's really, really awesome. And anyone who ever like goes in this car or takes it for a drive or whatever, they always say like, maybe with the added bucket seats, they are really stern and they do hold you really firmly. So I've had a lot of people say, you know, like, oh my gosh, this car is so like fixed on the road. Then again, yes, there is the issue of it being so light that like the back wheels do have a tendency to become very naughty if you're not careful. You do have to know how to drive these, especially when it's wet. When it's wetter weather. Oh, come on then. Yep, thank you. Let's see if we can beat them. I think I know where they're going. Visibility is shocking, folks. Absolutely shocking. And I bet you there's beautiful sun above all of this. The beauty is always hidden, guys. You just got to know where to look. Yep. We are nearly there. Time to get a session on. Woo! There's that car. I think I've just beat him. Yeah, go. Oh, yeah, buddy. Alright, folks. It is very busy here. WTF. Oh. Just because. Alright, beautiful people, there's the camera mount. We have arrived at the gymnasium. One of the hardest things is doing a 9 to 5, trying to get to the gym, trying to train, trying to prioritize your body, your health, over and above trying to earn a bloody living, guys. Hey, I know many of you will relate to that. Yeah, I'm quite curious to know how many of you do train and do go to the gym or do some sort of, it's not all about training and going to the gym and lifting weights. There's other ways of training, there's other ways of doing exercise. So yeah, welcome to my Abarth page where we speak about everything really. But those of you who know me will know fitness is a huge part of my life. And such an amazing way to start any day. Shh. Bruh, the seagulls in this country are fucking annoying, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, in South Africa we have something called hardy-dars. You probably have no idea what that is, but it's a type of very annoying bird. Anyways guys, let's get this day started. Yeah, buddy! We have wrapped up the 95 and very fortunately have a little bit of daylight left. So we're going to try and make the most of it. Yeah, buddy! Loo-loo-loo. Hey, hello. Oh. I must say, now that I don't drive my car as much during the day, it's actually so nice when I do get back into it again. You know what I mean? It's like one of those things, you take it away a little bit and then you reintroduce it again, and it's good fun. Oh, so juicy. I've had so many compliments, guys, from people saying, like, because I've just started this new job and I've had a lot of people saying, like, oh my word, your car sounds so sick. They're like, the one guy is saying he's sitting in his car looking for like this massive engine car to come strolling past. Meanwhile, it's a Fiat 500, aka Abarth. It's that turbo whistle. Woo! Just the small things, guys. Small things. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Very nice lights. Alright, we're in gear 3. Alrighty, guys. Unbelievably so, with a 95 in the way, the weather's held out. Tell me if you're not determined, you can't make it happen. But guys, thanks for watching this video. A day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth 595. Kind of a day in the life, more so what it's like to own the car. This beautiful beast right here. Look at that. Look at those seats. Tell me that doesn't look sexy. Hey? Look at that. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Right where we started. Anyways, guys, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you have not done so already. You will see me in the next video. There is going to be a stage 1 remap coming very shortly. I say that within the next 2 months or so. Stay locked in. As always, lekker. Bye.